The injection system is also used.
Is that? Shit. You know what I just realised? I'm struggling bending over this bike. All the years I've had this lift, this ramp lift for bikes, and I keep forgetting that I've got a bike on a lift and it's on the floor, so I've been bending it at my back all this time for no reason. Okay, so battery died, unlucky Rob. We've cleaned down the ports, they're all nice and tidy now. Give it a bit of tidy inside there as well, and started to clean the hoses up. I've started to clip the loom and the connections together. So wiring loom's all done on this side, and I have cleaned the throttle bodies. Right, got all my tubing sorted, so I've routed everything in where it should be, all these air tubes. Like I say, some were missing. I've bought this stuff off eBay, this silicone air tube, so I'm just going to cut that to size. Airbox is all clean, so we're going to now fit this and clip everything into place, get the filter on. The top one's number 3. Someone's kindly written on these. That's number 1. Got a brand new battery. I'm going to put a battery on it now, connect that up and check that everything's okay, and then we'll try the ignition and see if we get anything. Let's give it a go. Well, we're on, nothing's bleeped or caught fire yet, so hopefully nothing's ringing alarm bells yet. Clock's on. Ain't no love in Oklahoma. Right, I'm going to switch the ignition on, see if anything happens. That's 17,000 miles. So that's nothing for one of these. Right, they're on. Obviously the indicators aren't connected, I'm just checking stuff works. Dashboard lights up. Horn. Oh yeah. Check the oil level and hit the start button, see if it cranks over. That's what we'll do now. We've got oil. I tell you what, sounds good. Don't drop it, Rob. Don't drop it. The fuel that come out of this stunk. So I've removed the fuel pump and got what fuel was left in it out of the tank ready for fresh, because you just don't know what it was, how old it is. But it did stink really bad. Nice and tight. Well, fingers crossed we can get the fuel pump to prime. There's a socket on the loom there with nothing connected to it, and I've got a sneaky suspicion it's actually a relay that plugs into it for the fuel pump. So if that's the case, we're missing a relay for a fuel pump. No. So check the wiring loom, and this plug is for the fuel pump. there's supposed to be a relay clipped into it, so there is voltage going to it. What we're going to do is we're going to just short it basically with a little bit of cable. No way. Fingers crossed. I flipping hate this bit. Is the fuel injection light supposed to come on? Is this the problem? Fuel relay pump turned up from eBay today, so I've clipped that in there. Just there. Can't see it, can you? I've put the new fuel pump relay in. I'm hoping the fuel injection light's going to come on the dashboard now. Let's give it a go. No fuel injection. Right, so what we're looking at is these are not the original Honda keys. These are aftermarket ones that have been coded by someone, or apparently coded by the looks of it. There's a company on there. So I think they've not, something on this side of things is what's playing up, because if you turn the ignition on, fuel injection light is supposed to come on, fuel pump's supposed to kick in, and then it's supposed to go off, and then obviously the bike starts. I've done a bit of research. The Immobilizer key there for this HISS key system, Immobilizer key, if you look, it's supposed to light up green, and it's not. There's no light coming on at all. So yeah, there's going to be some more diagnosis needed for this. I don't know whether these are not programmed to the HISS system, or the HISS system's not working. There's some kind of Immobilizer fault with it, or is it the ECU that's faulty? This is definitely the issue that the previous owner has had, and they've not managed to obviously sort it. So I think this is where we're at now. I want to wrap the video up here because I need to do some digging, diagnosing. I need to go and get some wiring diagrams for it, work out how that system works. I'm going to wrap this video up here, and I'll see you on the next episode of the VFR, where hopefully, fingers crossed, I can get to the bottom of the Immobilizer issue or the electrical fault as to why the engine won't run. So I will see you on the next one. Thanks very much for watching. I do appreciate it. Like and subscribe if you can, and the more subscriptions I get, the more effort I'm going to put into these videos. So I do appreciate everyone that watches. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.